Have you ever questioned reality? Like, really questioned it? What if everything you see, touch, and feel isn't real? What if it's all part of a giant, complex video game? This isn't science fiction. This is the simulation hypothesis, and it's blowing minds across the globe. Imagine a world so real that you wouldn't even know you were plugged into a computer. That's the basic idea behind the simulation hypothesis. It suggests that our universe and everything in it might be a sophisticated computer program created by a more advanced civilization. Think about the incredible detail in a video game. Now, imagine a civilization millions of years ahead of us, with technology we can barely comprehend. They could easily create a simulation indistinguishable from reality. But is this just a wild theory, or could there be some truth to it? Let's dive deeper into this mind-boggling concept and explore the possibilities. The simulation hypothesis has been around for centuries, pondered by philosophers and scientists alike. But it gained significant traction in 2003 when philosopher Nick Bostrom published his groundbreaking paper, "Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?" Bostrom's argument is surprisingly simple. He suggests that if a civilization reaches a point where they can create realistic simulations of their ancestors' lives, then it's highly probable that we are living in one of those simulations. Think about it. If we can create simulations today, imagine what future civilizations could achieve. They could create countless simulations, making it statistically more likely that we are in a simulated reality than the original one. This idea isn't just limited to philosophers. Tech giants like Elon Musk have also publicly expressed their belief that we might be living in a simulation. In Musk's words, the odds that we're in base reality is 1 in billions. If we are living in a simulation, who are the masterminds behind it? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Some believe it could be a future version of humanity, running simulations to study their past or explore different timelines. Others suggest it could be an alien civilization, using our simulated world for research, entertainment, or even as a giant cosmic experiment. Imagine a civilization so advanced that they can create entire universes with a snap of their fingers. Of course, we can't rule out the possibility of a creator beyond our current understanding of science and technology. Perhaps a being of pure energy or consciousness existing outside the confines of our simulated reality. The identity of our potential creators is a mystery, but the mere possibility sparks endless fascination and speculation. If our reality is a simulation, are there any clues that betray its true nature? Some proponents of the simulation hypothesis point to certain phenomena as potential evidence. One example is the double-slit experiment in quantum mechanics, where particles seem to know whether they are being observed or not. This bizarre behavior could suggest that our reality is being rendered on demand, like a video game optimizing its processing power. Another clue might be the limitations of the speed of light. What if this seemingly fundamental constant is simply a speed limit imposed by the simulation's programming? Then there are the unexplained phenomena, like déjà vu, precognitive dreams, and other seemingly paranormal experiences. Could these be glitches in the matrix, hinting at the underlying code of our simulated reality? While these clues are far from conclusive, they offer tantalizing hints that our reality might be more complex than we realize. Section 5. Why build a simulated Earth? Exploring the possibilities. If our world is a simulation, the question naturally arises, why would someone create it? The possibilities are as intriguing as they are diverse. One possibility is that our simulated Earth serves as a giant research laboratory. Advanced civilizations could be studying our behavior, our history, or even the very nature of consciousness itself. Another possibility is entertainment. Just as we play video games for fun, perhaps advanced beings create simulations for their own amusement or to experience different realities. Some even propose that simulated worlds like ours could be a form of ancestor simulation, allowing future generations to connect with their past. Imagine being able to interact with historical figures or witness pivotal events firsthand. Whatever the reason, the sheer scale and complexity of our simulated world suggest a purpose beyond our current comprehension. Section 6. The nature of reality. Implications of the simulation hypothesis. The simulation hypothesis challenges our fundamental understanding of reality. If we are living in a simulation, what does that mean for our perception of free will, purpose, and even the meaning of life itself? If our choices are predetermined by lines of code, does free will even exist? Or are we simply following a pre-programmed script? And if our existence is nothing more than data in a giant computer program, what is the purpose of our actions and experiences? These are profound questions with no easy answers. The simulation hypothesis forces us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the very nature of our existence. Section 7. Life in a simulation. Does it change anything? Knowing that we might be living in a simulation could have profound implications for how we live our lives. Some might argue that it renders our actions meaningless, leading to apathy and nihilism. However, others might find liberation in this idea. If reality is an illusion, then perhaps we are free to create our own meaning and purpose, unshackled by the constraints of a supposedly objective world. Ultimately, the simulation hypothesis is a mirror reflecting our own values and beliefs. It challenges us to examine what truly matters in life and how we choose to live in the face of uncertainty. Section 8. Beyond the simulation, the search for truth. The simulation hypothesis, while fascinating, remains a hypothesis. We currently lack the scientific tools and knowledge to definitively prove or disprove it. However, the pursuit of this question can lead us down fascinating paths of scientific inquiry. By exploring the nature of consciousness, the limits of physics, and the potential of advanced civilizations, we expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Whether we are living in a simulation or not, the search for truth is a journey worth taking. It is through this pursuit that we push the boundaries of knowledge and unlock the secrets of the cosmos. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the unknown. The simulation hypothesis is a mind-bending concept that forces us to confront the limits of our understanding. While we may never know for sure whether our reality is truly real, the very act of questioning our existence opens up a universe of possibilities. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a cosmic mystery still unfolding. And in the face of this vast unknown, we can choose to embrace curiosity, wonder, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. For in the end, whether our reality is simulated or not, the journey of exploration and discovery is what makes life truly extraordinary.